I'm going to go over the advantages of Facebook, and I'm also going to discuss why you would want to have a TotalSnap website and how Facebook business pages interjects into your TotalSnap site. Here I've got a very basic TotalSnap website, and as you can see, it has e-commerce solutions on it. It has a link to my Facebook business page. It has a link to my Twitter account. It has a link to my LinkedIn account, and it also has a link to my YouTube account. So it's giving me excellent social media presence. I'm going to just go into the back office of the TotalSnap, show you how really simple it is to set up a blog that feeds into your TotalSnap page. So here we have the content pages, and if we look over here, we've got our navigation bars. So we've got home as page 1, question and answers as page 3, buy now as page 4, about us as page 1 because I have a mobile page 1 and a full site page 1 that are slightly different. And then social advantages and contact. And what we're going to do here is we're going to add a feed page from our Facebook, and we're going to call it blog. So we want everybody to know that it's a blog, and we're going to have it as page number 5. So we'll start with that. We're going to save that. And then once it's saved, we are going to go over to the content page to the RSS feed. Now here we're going to title it blog as well. And now what we need to do is we need to get the RSS feed from Facebook. So I'm going to leave this platform open right now, and I'm going to go over to my Facebook page. This is my Facebook business page. And what I need to do is I need to set up notes inside my Facebook business page. So I'm going to go do that right now. I'm going to go to edit page. I'm going to go here because it gives me a drop down bar. And over here, I'm going to select applications. And here I've got notes. So I'm going to edit the setting on notes, and I'm going to add it. So now it's going to show up. I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to go back to the Smart Mobi Solution page. So I just go the long way here and find it over here. And there we go. So now we're back on the Facebook page, and here we can see that we've added notes as an app. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to post a note so that we have something in there. So I'm going to write a note. I've already got something pre-prepared. I'm going to name it Simplify Your Internet Presence. I'm going to take the content and I'm going to put it in here. Now, just a little tip here. I've used Facebook Notes. Sorry, I've used the Notepad from, I'm just going to slide that over so you can see, the Notepad from accessories under my programs. And the reason is because this strips out all of the code that Facebook may have a problem reading. And if you don't stick it through a program like this, then you could end up having problems with the spaces between the words. Certain symbols might not show up as you anticipated them, and the formatting doesn't look right. So it's better to throw it into Notepad and then copy it from Notepad over into your Facebook notes. So now I've got that there. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I could add some tags onto there, but I won't do that right now. I can go back and do it after. I'm just going to publish it. So now it says that it's published, and I'm going to view my notes. So if I go here, now my notes actually exist, and now I want to get the feed from my notes. So I'm going to actually just zing back over to my page here, and you're going to see my notes in there. And you'll also see that it made a little microblog of my notes, which is kind of neat, right? So if I wanted to read the whole story, I would just click on it, and there we go. So now here's how to get the RSS feed on it. Look, I've got a like on that. That's nice. So get notes via RSS feed. So if I click on this, if I click on that, and I go copy link address. Now I've got the link address on my clipboard. I go back over here and I paste that, and that should take me to the feed. See how it says feeds in there? You want to make sure it says feeds. So now we've connected the Total Snap over to the Facebook business page in the notes. We're going to save this. Give it a second. And go OK. And now we're going to go to view the site because we want to make sure that this has got in here right. So here you can see we've added it onto our navigation bar. And if I click on here, you can see that I've on my blog page, and this is the title of my post, and it's got a date and everything on it, and it's got the entire post in here. So that's exactly what we wanted to do. And that's it. That's all that I have to say for now. Thank you.